With just your phone, I will show you step by step on how to create a realistic watercolor images like this using bing.ai.com without any stress. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you are new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell so each time I post a valuable content about AI topic, you will be notified. So with that being said, let's dive deep into the tutorial and see step by step on how to create a realistic watercolor images like this using bing.ai.com. So let's begin.
Welcome back, friends. So the first thing we need to do is to make sure we head over to our Google Play Store right here. So if you are using Android phone, you have to head over to your Google Play Store. But if you are using iPhone, just head over to your iPhone store. So right now in this tutorial, I'm using Android phone. So I'm going to head over to my Play Store right here. I'll get it to your Play Store. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you make use of this search engine right here. What you need to do there is to type in Bing. Then you click on search. So you're going to click on here to install. After a successful download and install, next thing you want to do is to click on open. Then right here, click on continue. Then you'll be taken in like this. So the next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on image creator. It will take you to this point right here. So you have to make sure you click on join and create. So you can click on sign in with a personal account. Then from the point here, click on Microsoft account sign in. Then you have to click on create one. The next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on get a new email address. Then enter your username. Then you can come here and interchange from either Outlook or Hotmail right here. But I'm going to leave it in Outlook, so I'm going to select on that. And the next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on next. Then you have to set in your login password. Then click on next. Then you can save the password to the password manager. Then right here you enter your first name, last name, then click on next. Set your country right here. Then move down below here, choose your month and the year of date of birth. Then choose your day, then choose your year. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on next. Then you have to click on next. Then you have to use this arrow to position this particular shoe in this way of hand, this way. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to make use of this to position the shoe in the way of arrow. Then I think I got it. Then I'll click on submit. Then we are going to use the same another arrow. So we can use this one this time around. I'm going to use this arrow right here. Then I will rotate. Then right here, I will make sure I click on submit. Then I can make use of this arrow right here. So I will just tap. Then I'll click on submit. Use of this arrow. Then I'll click on submit. And I'm going to make use of this arrow to rotate in the hand direction. Then I click on submit. Verification complete. So right here you can see an account has been successfully created. Welcome back, friends. So after a successful create an account with Microsoft Bing, the next thing we want to do is to make sure we see how we can use text to image to create a realistic watermark image using Bing on your phone. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is to make sure we click on here. Then it takes you to this particular page. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you type in your prompt right here. So I have my prompt already. I will just click and hold down and I'll paste the prompt. You can also check the description of this video to get this tutorial prompt. Next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on create. Then within a few minutes, it's going to generate the realistic watercolor effect images. So here we go. So we have 4 different images. So for us to download any of the image right here, we just need to click on the image. Then we have to click and hold down. I will click on download image, download completed. Then we can swipe and then we click and hold down, download completed. So let's get the third one. We'll click and hold down, download completed. Then I'll click and hold down, download and download. Download completed. It's as simple as that. So this is how to use Microsoft Bing AI to generate watercolor realistic image step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video, and for this tutorial prompt, consider to check the description of this video. And for more AI content like this, remember to click on the subscribe, turn on notification bell, so each time I post content about AI topic, you'll be notified. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.